So this is how you can withdraw from your Sweatcoin to your Sweat wallet. Let's go ahead and open up Sweatcoin and then sign up for an account if you haven't already. And here we are. As you can see, I created my account and now we can go ahead and set it up. So now it's going to ask you basic things like your daily step goal. So just do whatever you want there. And here we are. So now that we have an account, we're going to want to go back and then go open our Sweat wallet and simply tap on continue with Sweatcoin. Tap on open Sweatcoin and then simply tap on opt in crypto. And there you go. Now it's loading and it's basically connecting the two accounts so that we can transfer our steps into Sweatcoin crypto. Simply tap on these two things to make sure that you're not from these countries and that you accept the terms and policies. So now tap on create my wallet and let's start. So basically it's going to introduce you to what Sweatcoin is. Basically it's a crypto for steps. So what we're gonna do is maybe go outside and walk a bit and then you can earn money from that. So now let's tap on open your wallet and here we are. So now that we're here, simply tap on connect to earn and then connect Sweatcoin. So now it's going to say connect Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet, unlock token minting and features inside Sweat Wallet by connecting the apps. So let's go ahead and do that. And there you go. Now that Sweatcoin is connected, you can go ahead and enjoy earning crypto for your steps. So how do you actually convert it? Well, simply go to the top right of your screen and that is where your steps will be. So go ahead and do that. And here, right next to Sweat, there will be a button that says you are walking for crypto. I don't have it yet because it's still verifying my account since it's new, but after a few days, it's going to be verified and then we can start walking for money. So tap on that button that says you are walking for crypto and then it's going to bring you back to the wallet and then convert your steps into Sweatcoin. And that's pretty much it. It takes one button after registering both of your accounts. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.